So I'm running a brand new wiring harness for this. This is a 4 wires. The green wires are going to be for the right side, and the yellow wires are for the left side. This feeds under and goes through some square tubing. Every trailer is different, so there's really no use showing you that. And then I have these lights, all right? And so there's this grommet. So you put the grommet in the hole. And then we'll put the light in that grommet and we'll wire it up. This light, it's got some protective stuff on there. I'm just gonna peel that back to where it'll stay on there and I can access it when I'm done here. I want this part, which is gonna be for this little pigtail, to plug in there. I want it down just because I like it that way. And you just shove this in the hole. Yeah. You don't want it to go in too far and be lopsided. There you go. That light is installed. You do the same thing on the other side and you'll have these awesome LED lights in there. And we'll wire them up. Alright, so this is my pigtail for my lights. So I'm just going to kind of put it in there to get an estimate. So out the back, I'm going to leave a little bit extra room just because you never know when you're going to need that. You can always secure it underneath the trailer, so it's no biggie. So I'm going to cut that. Got a wire stripping tool here. We'll just use this. I know I got a knife in here too. So be careful with this. But you're going to want to just separate these ends. You just kind of want to get that started. It can be kind of difficult sometimes. Be a little cantankerous. So this is just the right side. So this solid wire is going to go to the red, and the one with the brown stripe on it is going to go to the black. That's the way I do this. So I'll strip off a little bit on each. I'm going to be using these little red connectors. These little smash connectors. They look like that. Alright, you put your wire in there and then you smash it. Pretty simple. So these ones actually come pre-stripped like that. See, there's that. You just want, I twist my wires. I like doing that. So let me strip this green one or this brown one a little bit. Okay, strip it just like that. Then we'll thread this little dilly bobber on there and smash it. I actually I like to use these channel locks just because they tend to smash a little bit better. There. Now that's not going to pull off. Don't tug on it very hard. We're going to go back and tape this when we're done. So the brown one, is going to the red. So I'll pull that off there. Hold on. Let me double check and see where that's going. Always double check. Alright, so brown is going to red. I double checked. Just want to be sure that's good. This has got more than enough on there. You just want to be sure it goes in that little hole. Okay, it's in there. We'll smash this side. Alright, that's connected. So now we'll tape it up so it's good and secure. You also want to keep the elements out. Water and ice and dirt and all that stuff. It don't got to be pretty. It's going to be inside this fender here. All right. Now the green will go to this black. So let me strip my green. Another handy connector. Smash the side. And then I'll put the black on there. Second guessing myself on it. I was like, surely I couldn't have hit the hole right on the first shot. Okay. Alright, got that. This will be the exact same process for the other side, except for the other side's yellow. I'll probably go back and put another coat on there. But now that's wired up. This, what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to get a screw and probably tap it in right there in the frame. And screw that in, so that'll be set. And then you plug this in. There you go. So once this screws in, then you'll have lights. Same way with both sides. So it's pretty self-explanatory. Wiring a trailer, especially with 4 flat, is not difficult. So anyway, good luck to you.